Yongkang Sipan Electric Company Limited is fully committed to the development of the vacuum cleaner industry, insisting the enterprise spirit and business philosophy, super brand, superior quality. Our main goal is to shape and promote an international brand name. Sipan is currently entering and making great effort in building a professional technical team in this industry from manufacturing, quality control, researching and developing. Sipan have various series of hot sale vacuum cleaners, such as wet and dry vacuum cleaner, ash vacuum cleaner, industrial vacuum cleaner, carpet vacuum cleaner, household vacuum cleaner, cordless vacuum cleaner, and so on. All of our products have the CE, CB, SAA, ETL, ROSE certification. Sipan have an excellent quality control system and experienced R&D center. We have developed many kinds of high-tech vacuum cleaners which had applied for patent. Sipan have established a long-term business relationship with many customers all around the world, like Europe, North, South America, Middle East, Asia, Australia, so our annual sales are keeping 30% improving every year. Core value of Sipan: quality, responsibility, and future. Enterprise spirit of Sipan: solidarity, efficiency, discipline, and innovation. Development concept of Sipan: concentration, profession, attentiveness. Cooperation concept of Sipan: customer first, regard meeting the needs of end users as the sole purpose. Sincerely welcome you visit and cooperate with Sipan. We will be your reliable and best supplier.